All right, boys, so today we're going to teach you how to wrap your Surron, Talaria, E-Ride, whatever E-Moto, and this is basically using TinyBot, which is car wrap. So you're going to want to use car wrap, and we got about 40 minutes to do this, and we're going to make it work. So without further ado, let's get the wrap, get yourself a blade, and get yourself a rag. That way you can clean the surface of the frame before you start wrapping. So first things first, you're gonna wanna get yourself a rag, and you're simply just gonna clean the frame. I mean, there's not much more to it. Make sure that whatever you are wrapping is basically clean. And yeah, in this case, we're only gonna be wrapping this part that connects to the seat, and then the actual frame itself, right about to like actually here, and then we're gonna cut across on this body line and just go right about here. We're not gonna do this side, but we're gonna do this face. So let's get started. All right, boys, so we have our little piece cut out. Obviously that's gonna be for this right here. So it's pretty simple. I'm just gonna peel this back, and then you're gonna lay it, and I'll tell you what to do from there. I'm basically gonna be doing this with one hand the whole time. So like I said, you're gonna cut out your piece. That way it can fit, obviously, this part. And let's see, we're just gonna actually angle it like this. All right, okay. So now once it's kind of stuck on, you're gonna wanna start pushing down, right? And when you push down, you see that it starts to lay. So once you start in one spot, you're basically gonna wanna work your way outwards and never like together. So keep pushing down. Now you can actually see the frame, right? So we're gonna continue this way, and we'll cut this a little bit up there. That way it can tuck into the top. And then from there, we're gonna start to cut, but let me cut this first. All right, boys, so we basically laid it down. Obviously you can tell that the frame is right there. So the best advice that I give you is just to find a body line and just cut as straight as you can all the way around. And that's basically how you're just gonna do it. Get your X-Acto knife and have some aimbot. So I am no professional at any means, but with a light cut, which obviously did not go through right there, it did right here, you can kind of start peeling away. And yeah, you just keep on going, man. Use your X-Acto knife, do the best you can, and trust your cutting skills. After a little bit of cutting, this is what we're left with. Obviously I still gotta cut around the bolt right here, which these are super hard. And yeah, so it's just these two at the end, but that's how we're looking, boys. All right, boys, so this is how we're looking right now. This is the final result. I didn't want to put the wrap like all the way around because it's honestly so hard. So I just cut it like that and like that on each one of them, and I actually did the other side just like that as well. So honestly the wrap looks pretty good, and we're just gonna continue on with the frame. All right, boys, so we got our piece for the frame. So like I said, you're just gonna lay it, and then in this case we're gonna start from the top of the frame along down and then around this way, because this part is going to be getting cut. So you need the slack, and you need to lay down the film going in one direction, or you could do it the other way, whatever, but I just think that's easier to start from the top. As you can see, we have the whole slab of wrap just on there. So like I said, you're going to start laying it from the top, and honestly I would suggest using like a squeegee or at least a glove for this, but in this case this is just a quick job to kind of show you guys. But if you have any wrinklage, you can literally just bring it back up and unpeel it and then just lay it down. Way of doing this, of wrapping, is basically just wrapping until you get to a body line and then making sure it's all flat. Obviously for me, I'm not cutting out the holes for the E-Ride Pro because personally I just like it without the holes being shown. But you're just gonna keep wrapping until you have no bubbles, and that's the goal. If there's bubbles or wrinkles, you can lift it up, use a heat gun. In this case, I'm not even using a heat gun, I'm just laying down the film. So you can definitely make this a lot better than like what I'm doing it with time and with patience. This is just a quick job to show you guys. Okay, so even from here you can see the body of the E-Ride kind of showing through the wrap because I laid it down. But first, what I always do is come up here and I cut along the weld. So you can just kind of put pressure down on the wrap and it shows you where to cut, because it'll kind of like give you the body line. You see, like that's the body line up there, this is the body line, obviously that's where the welds are. So I like to cut the weld and then start cutting the body this way. That way it gives this slack, and then you can lay the rest and then cut everything. So we're going to begin by cutting right over here and along right here. This job is not going to be perfect. If you want to take a lot more time, obviously you can like lay every single layer, you know, fold it over the frame, take out the battery. But for this video, we're just doing the face of the frame of the wrap. So you can see I already cut right here very lightly, just a little patch. So it's looking good, nothing crazy. I do have this little scratch right here, so the wrap will be covering that. But we're gonna keep cutting and then we'll update you guys. All right, boys, this is a little update. We already got this piece right here, the top piece, and now we just need the piece next to the peg. So on this one, we basically wrapped all this and then we cut it off. So we're gonna try to do the same thing over there. It's a little bit hard. And just like that, boys, we are all done. That's basically the end of it. Let me know if you guys want to see me wrap this swing arm in the back for the back tire. And also, I still need to show you guys the seat cover. So maybe I'll include that in the next video, the seat cover, and we'll also include the swing arm. That way you can see how to wrap it. But basically this is self-explanatory. If you guys want to see me wrap anything else on the bike, maybe the front shock guards, just let me know. And thank you for watching. Peace.